we configured both application on the same server. So we are able to configure the web IIS, the SQL management studio console on my taskbar to make it easier for me to navigate. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to pin it to my taskbar. So that we can now select what exactly we want. Now, based on the configuration we've set yesterday, where we said that we want synchronization to happen, now software update should have populated under our software update group. So we're going to check all we have there to see that everything has populated. Figured our forest, our group, our system, our users, where we establish a connection between our SCCM server and also our Active Directory so that information can be published into our SCCM. Work with SCCM, but also to be able to troubleshoot when it comes to SCCM, to be able to build SCCM infrastructure as a whole. And that is what the software distribution. Now, organizations pay for every licenses being used within their corporation. But how exactly do you know how many of your users use it? How do you want to go and start installing softwares on 100,000, or how do you patch each of the 100,000? Now, when it comes to security aspect, Microsoft side of the business and not the infrastructural side of the business. Only when you're opportune to work at the level 3, then you work at the modification to our software update points, and we're going to be doing 3 things. Number 1, we're going to change our client connection type. Yesterday, we decided we also configured, what else did we configure? We installed our SCCM server, and even though we're unable to see the end results, even checking that, we're going to do a tour on our assets and compliance and see what is different, from the first time we created it and when those rules and configurations were done. Management console on my taskbar. So it makes it easier for me to navigate at any point in time. So we're also going to look at our software updates to see, like I mentioned earlier, what has changed, what has populated. We're going to make a server, and at the same time, we're able to configure the roles and features. We configured our Windows ADK. We also configured differentiates you from any other person that is talking about SCCM. Majority of the people you see today that says that they work with SCCM, they actually work on the operation. How do you deploy application to all these systems without having to go there one after the other? Now, if you have a corporation where you have over 100,000 computers, we're also going to check our assets and compliance to ensure that all the systems we have as populated, because we configured we did the hierarchy